Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. So today we'll discuss about one of the important tutorial we started about the DevOps tool. So in this session, I want to clarify for you difference between the Git and the GitHub. Okay, so Git is a distributed version control system. Exactly means if you want to track your files, whatever you made the changes, instead of doing manually, if you want to track everything will be take care by the Git. So today you commit something version 1, tomorrow version 2, day after tomorrow version 3. So those all changes, if you want to track, you need to use the Git. So basically Git is a tool you can install in your computer. This is the first software developer you need to do. This is the Git you need to install in your system. Okay, so what is the use of the Git means it will be store about the project progress on your repository. Again, the new terminology, repository is nothing but a folder you can store all the information in your repository. That's it, nothing else. Okay, it will be there in the cloud. Okay, so there is a GitHub. It is a web hosting service. Okay, it's like a cloud based service. This is also one of the service. Okay, we'll see. I will show you that also. Okay, so basically the purpose of the Git is you can keep track of the projects and files. They change over time with the manipulation. Suppose you created a file, suppose abc.txt. This is the first line, just you committed. Tomorrow just you come and committed some other change. Okay, now if you want to track at what time, at what information you made the change in your project, if you want to track, this is the tool you can get to know about the version control. When I say distributed in software industry, lot of developers will be work. There is a repository will be there on the main server. Okay, that is a distributed server. So that whole project code will be there in at the all the developer. For you have a own local repository and a remote repository concept is there. Okay, I will explain that one. Just to know about what is a Git and what is a GitHub, will explain that one. Okay, I will now it is a command line tool. There is no graphical user interface. It's like a from the command prompt you need to track your Git. Okay, so when you are installing a Git, it will create a, you install a Git, you can open a command prompt. From the command prompt you can do all the Git operations. Okay, so let me open the GitHub is a web-based Git version control repository hosting service. That means whatever you are doing in the command line, everything you can do on the GitHub only. Okay, then what is the use? It's like a user interface. You can see what commits you done, at what time you done, like how many commits you done today. So you can track each and everything on the GitHub. Okay, it provide everything about functionalities of the Git in your GitHub. Okay, and it provide a graphical user interface. I already explained. And if you create a folder in your system, okay, in your terminology it is a folder. In terms of the Git, you can make it as a repository. Okay, if you want to make it folder into repository, you need to perform some commands. How you need to do those commands? Okay, as part of the installation, we'll go through this series. We'll try to understand so many things. Okay, you can add, you can commit, you can push, you can pull lot of commands we have in the Git. Okay, next, in the market, what are the things we have? We have a GitHub and we have a GitLab and we have a Bitbucket. Let me open once. Okay, just Google and type there is a GitHub. Okay, GitHub, if you see here, there is a world leading software development platform. It is specially built for developers. Okay, this is also you can track everything in the GitHub. And if I open, there is one more GitLab. Okay, this is also same action. It has own advantages also. Okay, and we have a Bitbucket. These all things, it will track each and everything of your project. So Bitbucket is a one of the company Atlassian. So it is providing Jira integration, Bitbucket, lot of tools also they are providing. Just this is some introduction. In the next tutorial I will explain how to install the Git in your system. Then after that we can check how to create GitHub account. Everything we'll see in the further sessions. Thank you guys.